Keeping your floors clean shouldn't mean spending hours vacuuming and mopping every week. Dust, pet hair, and daily messes can quickly build up, making home maintenance a constant chore. That's where app-controlled robot vacuums make life easier. With smart navigation, powerful suction, and remote control from your smartphone, they clean while you focus on other tasks. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best app-controlled robot vacuums of 2026. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. App Control Robot Vacuum 2800 PA. The new App Control Vacuum Sweeper is an affordable robot vacuum designed for daily floor cleaning. It combines vacuuming, sweeping, and wet mopping in one compact machine with 2800 PA suction power to handle dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors. Using the mobile app, you can start cleaning, schedule tasks, and monitor operation from anywhere. Its slim design easily reaches under furniture, while the rechargeable battery provides reliable cleaning for apartments and small homes. A practical choice for convenient everyday cleaning. Number 4. G20S Robot Vacuum 6000 PS Suction. The G20S Robot Vacuum delivers impressive 6000 PS suction for deep cleaning on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Smart memory mapping helps it remember room layouts, creating efficient cleaning routes while avoiding unnecessary repeats. With Wi-Fi app control, you can schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and monitor progress remotely. The electric water tank supports simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, saving time with every session. Powerful performance and intelligent navigation make it an excellent all-in-one cleaning solution. Number 3. LIECTROUX C30B Robot Vacuum. The LIECTROUX/Lilin C30B combines advanced mapping technology with powerful 6000 PA suction to deliver efficient whole-home cleaning. Its intelligent navigation system remembers your home's layout for accurate coverage while reducing missed spots. The smart electric water tank automatically controls water flow for consistent mopping results. Wi-Fi app control lets you customize schedules, select cleaning modes, and monitor performance from your phone. Ideal for busy households looking for reliable, automated floor care. Number 2. Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop 2800 PA. This smart robot vacuum and mop is built for homes with pets, offering 2800 PA suction to capture hair, dust, and everyday debris with ease. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, helping keep floors fresh with minimal effort. Through the companion app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, control the robot remotely, and choose different cleaning modes. Its low-profile design reaches under beds and sofas, while automatic charging ensures it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. Number 1. ES06 Robot Vacuum. The new ES06 Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its smart app control, efficient cleaning performance, and user-friendly design. It automatically sweeps, vacuums, and helps maintain clean floors with minimal supervision. Wireless operation and remote control through the mobile app make scheduling and managing cleaning effortless from anywhere. Its compact body easily navigates around furniture, while intelligent cleaning modes improve coverage. For reliable everyday automation at a great value, the ES06 is a top pick. App-controlled robot vacuums make home cleaning faster, smarter, and more convenient than ever. These 5 models offer useful features, strong suction, and automatic cleaning for every budget. Whether you need help with pet hair or daily dust, there's a great option here. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.